Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use goal seek function in LibreOffice Calc. Now first, to get this done, we have here our LibreOffice, and let's say for example we're targeting a sale of 250,000. As of the moment right now it's 224. Let's just set this or format this as currency just like so. So in order for us to achieve the 250,000, let's go ahead and use the tools here. We're going to use goal seek for this one, and this is our formula cell. And the target value that we want to do is 250,000, and the variable cell or the cell that we want to change is the quantity. So how many or how much should we sell in order for us to get to the 250,000? So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK right here, and then click the insert right here, and there you go. So in order for us to have 250,000, what we want to do is achieve 517.4 cells or sale of that SSD. And yeah, that's how you're going to use goal seek function in LibreOffice Calc.